our next command is exit, to exit the terminal, right? Now let's talk about the chmod command, that is change mode command. Okay, we use this command in order to change the permissions for files and folders. Okay, so change mode followed by the permissions and then the name of the file or folder, right? So first of all, the permissions are divided into three parts. The first one is for admin, second is for group, and third is for others, public. Okay, or you can say normal standard users, right? So the permissions are divided into three parts. The first part is for admin, second is for group, and third is for others. Okay, so the format would be same. Okay, the sequence of the permissions will remain same all the time. Okay, now we have three different permissions. Okay, so R is equal to read, W is equal to write, and X for execute. Okay, so we have three permissions: read, write, and execute, denoted by R, W, and X letters. Okay, so whenever we want to assign permissions based on letters, we will use R, W, and X, but we can also use numbers here. For example, for read we can use 4, for write we may use 2, and for execute we will use 1. So instead of typing RWX, it means whenever you want to assign full permission to any of them, so instead of typing RWX, we can simply use 7, because 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7, right? The same way, if you want to assign only read and execute permissions to group, we will use read blank execute, or we can type 5 here. Okay, both has same meaning, RWX or 7 and R blank X is equal to 5. And for others, suppose we want to only assign permissions to, let's say, read, and we don't want to assign write and execute permissions, so either we can type R hyphen hyphen, or we can simply type 4, which means read. Okay, so the permissions are divided into three parts. The first part is for admin, second is for group, and third is for others. We can assign read, write, and execute permissions using alphabets like RWX or numbers 4 to 1. Okay, now let's see the practical in the next video.